Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Honda Touring Elite. This one's black. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 248 horsepower. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A gray leather interior, sunroof, third row seating, rear seat entertainment, Odyssey Elite badging, power lift gate, fold down third row seats, all season to end regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Got our sliding door controls to the left of here, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated seats, touchscreen media display, navigation, cup holders. This Odyssey has 70,086 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2016 Honda Odyssey Elite, check out feldmannimports.com.